Hi, and welcome to the channel. Freedom Mortgage is hiring a payments processor. So let's get right into it. So we're looking at the payment processor one role, and this was posted yesterday. They're hiring remotely in California, and it pays between 31,000 to 55,000 annually. So let's scroll down. Let's look at the role. Responsible for accurately processing customer mortgage payments daily, working collaboratively with business units to meet company guidelines, posts payments, disperse checks, maintains ACH accounts, reconciles data, handles mail processing, and performs root cause analysis. Let's scroll down. Now, the company. The company is headquartered in Boca Raton, Florida. And in Boca Raton is the on-site workplace. They have 5,200 employees and it was founded in 1990. So let's look at the summary. The processor payment is responsible for accurately and timely processing of customer mortgage payments to the servicing system daily. The position will work collaboratively with business units to ensure company guidelines and processes are met. Essential duties. Posts customer payments and payoffs accurately and timely, either manually or electronically, to the servicing system of record. Perform reconciliation of all posted items. You will disperse checks and perform reconciliation of disbursements, contacts attorneys, title agents, and borrowers for short payoffs, sets up and maintains ACH accounts, works on pending and exception items, maintains a processes daily exception report identified to minimize company risk, maintains reversal of posting transactions, that is NSF and reversals, scans mortgage payments into the servicing system and depository bank, opens and processes mail, receives tracks and documents incoming cash management items, right? Maintains regular and punctual attendance, comply with all company policies and procedures, data analysis and reconciliation of data pertaining to payment applications, performs root cause analysis to minimize risk to the company, individual decision-making ability with documented fact-based decision within authority level, research and remediate ability based on minimal data for research, ability to adjust and learn quickly, performs other duties as assigned, education and experience, a high school diploma, vocational, technical school certificate or associate or bachelor's degree preferred, not required. However, if you do have any of these items, you will beat out your competition likely. You'll likely beat out your competition. It requires 0 to 1 years of related experience, 2 to 4 years related work experience preferred but not required. No licenses required. Specialized skills and knowledge requirements. Sagent, loan serve experience is a plus, not required. Accounting, mathematical skills include an ability to add and subtract two-digit numbers and to multiply and divide with tens and hundreds preferred. Data entry experience, quick and accurate. Intermediate Excel knowledge, an ability to manipulate data. Banking software experience, depositing, posting, balancing checks. This position is an individual contributor, meaning you will not have a management position and you will not be managing other people.